Hi, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I'm excited to answer these questions and share a bit about who I am and how I work. I'm Journaline from the Philippines, a motivated and detail-oriented virtual assistant with a diploma in business and sales management. I help entrepreneurs and small teams stay organized, on schedule, and focused on what matters most. I specialized in administrative support, including email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, and basic customer service. I'm known for being reliable, organized, and easy to work with. And I take pride in delivering high quality support consistently. I'm comfortable using tools such as Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Canva, and Zoom. And I'm always open to learning new tools to match your workflow. I've handled email sorting before, calendar management, and data entry, and I've also worked part-time in customer service where I learned how to be multitask and stay organized under pressure. Um, One of my favorite movies is The Devil Wears Prada because it highlights professionalism, um, high standards, and learning how to perform well in a fast-paced environment. Values I bring to my work. I believe a university or college education is important for some careers, but for virtual assistant role, skills, practical experience, and consistency matter more than a degree. I'm currently available for work, and if selected, I can start immediately. Thank you for your time and consideration. I'm motivated to learn, dependable in my work, and excited about the opportunity to support your e-commerce business as a virtual assistant.